filled up the coals on top. We got some pretty good ones going here. About to get the, gonna do a Boston butt today. This is a little small egg, so it's not too big, but I just cleaned it out, got all the ash out. So about to put the grate on, let it heat up, and show you what we got in a little bit. She's doing what we want her to do. A little under 300, probably about 280. Got some good smoke coming up. I did throw a couple of little hickory pieces in. Just a couple of little chunks. A couple that size. Getting some good smoke off of it. Y'all smell that? That's goodness. Sweet pork. Hey guys, we're taking a break from the barbecue. Had a good friend of mine just tell me that his friend or his neighbor had some oysters at his restaurant. He was gonna have to toss them out because of the coronavirus. He wasn't gonna have people coming in to eat, so he said, hey man, you want some of these oysters? So I grabbed them, didn't have a shucker, so pulled out the old trusty big screwdriver. But yeah, we got about half a dozen going so far. I think we got about maybe a dozen or two left, so about to get onto these. The butt is coming along good. It's been on about 4 hours now. It's got some good good bark up there. It's looking nice though, so we're about to probably pop these oysters in here, give a little reef habitat for the brim. So anyway, hope y'all are having a good day. We'll check back on the barbecue in just a little bit. We're back now at the barbecue station. And for all you crock potters out there that say there's no difference in taste, crock pot is so yummy. Well, here is a picture that you can't get from the crock pot. We're sitting just under 300. Got a nice little smoke coming out. You want to take a peek? I do. Ooh, Sally. Look at that, baby. I can promise you that she's not gonna win Memphis in May for all you barbecue critics out there, but, and I do confess that I have picked a little bit of the bark off because it was a little too tantalizing, but she is coming along nice. I mixed up a little concoction earlier. I don't know, I'll put a little shot on there. I think it had some mustard, apple cider vinegar, a little butter, some A1 steak sauce. We wanted to get it barbecue-y. Melted a little bit of the butter with some apple jelly. So got a little bit of just kind of natural beefy flavors and a little bit of sweetness in there. You can see this pan kind of sizzling down in there. Oh baby, she's gonna be good. She's gonna be good. This started off as a 7.5 pounder, so looks like she's down to about 5.87. Anywho, we'll check back with you in a little bit. I'm gonna probably throw a little piece of foil on this baby. Just let her count it down to the end. So that might make a nice little taco. Chow. Earlier we was thinking we may not have had a Memphis in May turn-in box, but after giving this a few hours, we've decided that we might have a Memphis in May turn-in box. So let's go in and have a look-see. Oh, Betty. See this little bone right here? We could pull that out pretty easily. It's wiggling pretty good. We got some nice mahogany here, some good bark. This is gonna be very, very tender. This is a good looking pork hiney. So I'll take another little pick when we get inside on the cutting board, but this is gonna be nice, Barbie. Gonna be nice. We got a little sauce that we whipped up here. Put a little bit of apple jelly. We microwaved that down in a coffee cup. Put a little honey in there. A little bit of an Indian spice to give it a little cinnamon kick, but don't even make fun of me because it's good. I'll show you inside. If your eyes are afraid of good-looking food, I'm gonna ask you to turn your head now because we got some goodness coming up here. I'm gonna show you what we got this evening. I had my fryer heated up, I thought, but the plug was undone in the back. We got some oysters here, dusted and ready. The old lady Linda Jean went out and ran the trot line yesterday morning and pulled in a couple of yeller cats, and we got them dusted up, ready to go in the Earl. What you want, girl?
Tomorrow, are you gonna be able to try it tomorrow?
Maybe. Let's look in here, Lola. All right, here we go. This is what we got in here that we want to focus our attention on. Bam! We got some oysters on the brawl going on.
We have some oysters.
Some of the pulled pork we had yesterday we put on top of there with a little hot sauce. We got some breadcrumbs, a little wine reduction, and butter and garlic. Yummy yum. We're gonna move these off the heat just a little bit because they're ready to roll. What you think, Lila?
Good.
Looking good?
Yep.
You want to try one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Daddy, you know what I'm gonna do?
What's that?
If you make grits, I'm gonna eat all of those grits. I'm gonna eat all of them if you make them.
All of them. All right. All right.
If you make some,
I'm gonna have your fish fried up in just a little bit. All right.
And
We'll check it out later.
and
These bad boys are about ready to hop on out of here.
And